Guys, what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepyhead. I am Sarina. I'm so sorry I have to talk so softly. It's 11:25 at night and it's 10th of November, and as you've read by the title, it's my bro's birthday. So happy advance birthday, bro, and I'm so excited. It's his birthday is on the 11th of November, but it's currently 10th and it's 11:25, so half an hour more, 35 minutes more left for his birthday. So I'm so excited. We've got a couple of things planned for him, and it's going to be a complete 11th November vlog, so you have to stay tuned and watch the entire vlog. We have a couple of amazing stuff planned up for his birthday, so I'm excited and hyped, and I'm going to see you on at 12 o'clock at night with a surprise. We are going to cut the cake also, so stay tuned, and yep, I'll see you on 11th November. Bye.
पार्टी तो कभी से शुरू हुई है,
पर भाई मेरी तो एंट्री नहीं हुई है।
मैं तू मेरे यार, तेरे फ्रेंड्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, तेरी एक्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, आज पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते, नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे।
एक और साल पुरानी हो गई तेरी अलग जवानी, कुड़िया थी पहले जी अब हो गई तेरी आंटियां दीवानी,
आंटियां दीवानी।
एक और साल पुरानी हो गई तेरी अलग जवानी, कुड़िया थी पहले जी अब हो गई तेरी आंटियां दीवानी। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे,
आज पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे,
आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते, नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे।
बर्थडे है भाई, बर्थडे है तेरे भाई का बर्थडे है,
कैंडल्स बुझ गई,
अब सब में केक बट्टे है, चिक्स सारी हॉट यहाँ पे कैम सारे ठंडे हैं, टेस्ट के लिया पूरे साल,
आज तो मेरा बर्थडे है।
सारे बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे, जोर से बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे, आवाज नहीं आ रही हैप्पी बर्थडे, लाउड बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे,
अरे बोलो
हैप्पी बर्थडे,
फिर से बोलो
हैप्पी बर्थडे,
हैप्पी बर्थडे,
हैप्पी बर्थडे,
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
कैसा ला? उसका नाम क्या है? अबूचू।
तू चले मैं चलूं, तू रुके मैं रुकूं, अपने तो डेली है नए नए हंगामे। तू गिरे मैं थामूं, मैं गिरूं तू थामे, अपने तो डेली है नए नए हंगामे।
जो तेरी डील है वो मेरी डील है, विद यू ओ बडी मुझे आती यही फील है।
मैं तू मेरे सर गुरु, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, तेरी एक्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स, है एक थाली के सारे, है एक थाली के सारे, है एक थाली के, एक थाली के, एक थाली के
And I'm back. Hello, good morning, guys. It's the next day of 11th November. As you saw the video yesterday, what happened. I'm by the way wearing this outfit with this amazing shoe. I don't know if you can see it or not. But yeah, I'm ready. We are going somewhere. Where I'm going is we're going to Calcutta though, and I've done a little makeup for the first, not for the first time, like slightly makeup, sunscreen and little lip balm. I hope I'm not looking too scary, and I had a bath so my hair is just wet, so I didn't do anything with my hair right now. But yes, I am so excited. We are going to Calcutta and we are going to have a long day. I have couple of things planned. I'm going to take my bro to Starbucks. I'm going to go to Starbucks and take something. Okay. Level of excitement. I may not be able to shoot certain places because of the crowd and stuff, but yes, I will shoot wherever possible. I will shoot Starbucks, I will shoot the place we're going for breakfast, the place we're going for lunch. So just stay tuned and you will see couple of interesting stuff coming up, and I'm so excited. By the way, let us all write in the comments below, happy birthday Naidu. We love you. We love you. Okay. By the way, if you think this, I'm not inked. I have just put some little marker just to Halloween, that feeling. By the way, okay, I'm so excited. I'm going to now shut the camera and we're going to start moving for Calcutta, and I will see you in Calcutta. Okay, bye. Hey guys, we are in Peter Cat now, as you can see. We're in Peter Cat right now. We've come for lunch. I'm not shooting too much because of crowd and temperature, so that's why we are just taking a chill pill. We're in Peter Cat. We've come to eat lunch. What are we eating? We're eating Cello Kebab. Famous. If you come to Calcutta, please visit Peter Cat and eat Cello Kebab. This is the first time we've got space. Otherwise, we never find space here. So yeah. When the lunch comes, I will show you. But for now, we have to keep quiet because it's very empty. I hope you can hear me. Now it's very empty, so yeah. Okay, bye. So guys, I'm currently in Peter Cat and we're enjoying a lot. I am going to take a picture of the lunch and post it here somewhere, so stay tuned. Happy birthday, Naidu.
You enjoy.
Happy birthday, Naidu.
Thank you.
Take one bite, please. Take one. Taste and tell me. Let's see. How is it? We're finally out of Peter Cat now. We're finally out of Peter Cat. Now we're going to Starbucks. We need a Starbucks, definitely. I'll see you in Starbucks. Hey guys, what's up? We are in Starbucks. Let me show you. Starbucks it is. Hey guys, we're out of Starbucks. I had bought a drink that said hibiscus lemonade. It was so bad. I had to finally buy this sweet drink. So yes, we bought this. Okay guys, finally I've just come out of the car to walk a bit. We've eaten a lot. As you saw, I ate Cello Kebab. Soon after, I drank one horrible hibiscus lemonade from Starbucks. And then I was like, no, I need some sweet in my stomach. And then I had to go and buy a sweet drink. It was super tasty. It's called the Cookie Crumb something. It was so good. As you can see. Now I'm going to go to ISPCK. My mom is already gone. This outfit has done good for me actually. Nothing much to do. वीडियो করছি ইউটিউবের জন্য করতে হবে না একটুখানি তোর জন্মদিন স্পেশাল
আপলোড করি পরে করি কেটে কেটে
এডিট করে I'll stand outside. Hi, bye there. Bye. So as you saw, I was discussing about editing and uploading. Now I'm just walking because my stomach is super tight. Really need to go home and work out maybe sometime. Now we'll have to go to New Market for a walk. In the meanwhile, I'm walking in the streets. It's a pleasant day, Calcutta today. Pretty interesting though. Nothing to say actually. It's a super tiring day. Tiring. This is the face of someone who's happy. Oh, this lip mark, I don't know, it's a mole or something. It's something new. It's coming out all of a sudden. Oh, I have to take a picture here. But for now, yay! Scared of coronavirus, so better wear your masks. I'm going to take a picture in this position in the meanwhile. A minute. But yes. People stare in a very bad manner. But I'm sorry, duh. What, you have never heard about YouTube or what? Duh. Okay. So now we'll be going to New Market. My mother's almost finished in ISPCK Awkward Stairs. These people look like, what are you doing? Okay, now it's empty so I can talk a little loudly. We've almost finished in ISPCK. Birthday boy, open your mask. Show your face. It is a video. Say hi.
I can understand.
Say hi.
Hello, hi.
Hi. Hello. Hi. So now we are going to New Market. I will go and film little bit in New Market also. Okay. Bye. Hey guys, we are in New Market right now. It's pretty crowded. So that's why I have to take the video very silently. But I hope you can hear me because of so much noise. But it's not that noisy as you can see. It's not that noisy. We have to be wearing masks constantly. Flexing. এটা এরকম তুই পিছনের দিকে চোখ মারলে হবে না, সামনের দিকে চোখ মার। বাস বাস ঠিক আছে, ইটস ওকে। Just a back view. I don't always want to show me. You can see it's not corona time. People are still crowding everywhere. Does not make sense though, but yes. With masks. Please take precautions. Please take precaution. Ooh, see the sun. Oh my god. Super crowded currently. I'll just show you. Okay. Straight যাচ্ছিলাম। Super crowded. I'll put the camera down because then I don't know what's happening. So bye. We finally come and landed in a biryani shop. See the crowd. Super crowded and noisy. I will come to an empty place. I thought I'll come to an empty place and I'll shoot, but this is also crowded. So I'll probably go back to the car and shoot once and for all. Now we'll be walking back to the car. That's when I will shoot. So, ta-da! We have done shopping. We've come back to the car. Now we'll be sitting and going home. কেমন লাগলো পুরো দিনটা? How was the day?
Good.
Good. He liked the day. Now we still have to go home and buy.
Good.
Very good.
Very good.
We now have to go back home and buy another birthday cake because tomorrow is someone else's birthday. So double. Anyways, we have to go home. Bye. Okay, guys, we've come out of Calcutta. We are standing in a place called Hotel Navanon. There is Monjini's here. We've stopped to take a break. And I'm super tired. You can see my eyes. I'm so tired and sleepy. I was studying. It'll take another 2.5 hours to reach home. So I'll reach home and video again. I'll finish the video when I reach home. So bye. Hey. Okay. I may look really crazy because I'm really tired. But yes, I have come home and we've had an amazing day. I just want to today give a very special shout out to my bro. Happy birthday for the final time, Naidu. We love you so much. We love you so much. I hope you have an amazing year ahead and special shout out to you. And now I'm really tired. I've come home, eaten my dinner, and I'm ready to sleep. I'm ready to have a bath and sleep. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Team Sleepyhead, and I will see you in the next video. More fun stuff coming up, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the previous pani puri thing, challenge, spicy pani puri challenge. More fun videos to come up, so stay tuned. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I won't talk any longer. I'm super tired, so I'll see you in the next video. Till now, and until then, stay happy, stay safe. Yeah, okay. And don't forget to ring the bell icon beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Until then, toodles from Team Sleepyhead, and good night and bye.